Once upon a time, in the land of Van Lang, a baby boy named Tan Zhang was born. He was special, even at 3 years old. He could not speak, smile, or move. People thought he was just a weak, quiet child. One day, terrible news spread. The invaders were coming to attack the country. The king sent messengers across villages, asking for heroes to help. When the messenger reached Tan Zhang's village, something amazing happened. For the very first time, little Tan Zhang spoke. "Bring me an iron horse, an iron whip, and iron armor. I will fight the enemy." Everyone was astonished and hurried to tell the king. From that day, Tan Zhang ate non-stop, bowls of rice, baskets of food. The more he ate, the taller and stronger he grew, like a giant. Soon, the iron horse, whip, and armor were ready. Tan Zhang put on the armor, climbed onto the iron horse, which breathed fire. With a loud roar, he galloped into battle. He swung his iron whip, knocking down enemy soldiers everywhere. Suddenly, the whip broke. But Tan Zhang did not give up. He pulled up big bamboo trees and used them as weapons. The enemy was terrified, crushed, and fled. The land was safe again. After victory, Tan Zhang rode his horse up a mountain, then rose into the sky. From that day, people called him Tan Zhang, the heavenly hero of Vietnam.